Hello everybody, what is up? It is Ninja94 Productions. There we go. It's like, there's lag there for a second and I couldn't figure out why. And the mycelium is spreading very nicely. And the audio's back, so woo-hoo! Yay! Yay! There we go. There we go. Boing, boing. Da-bow. Da-bow. Bonsai! Ah, Jesus, I'm like a little shaky right now, but... There we go, that should help some. I'm just skipping. And Mushroom seems really interested in everything else but the land around him. Her, him, her, it. There's no specific gender in Minecraft, so him, her, it works both ways, but it's just like, I feel it's always nice just to stick with one specific, just so that way it doesn't confuse people. At least that's the way I'm feeling whenever I say him, her, because it's like, because if it's like, I call like the cow him, it's like, is it a him or is it a her? So my mind goes into that second thought process, and it's like, wait a minute. Come on. Come on. Do. Oh, right. Oh. Well, so much for that. There we go, that should help with some mycelium spreadage. Hopefully. I don't know if it is actually spreading or not, but it's definitely seems to be growing nicely. Jeez. Wouldn't work for a second there. I have a plan to actually help me with this. So basically what I'm going to do is fence off an area using the mycelium, and that should in return excuse me, that should in return make it easier for me to do stuff. I'm actually going to turn down the audio because I think that might be a little loud. I don't know. Hopefully that's better. Hopefully it didn't actually do anything. That actually would make me feel much better. I want you there, I want you there, and you there, and you there. Now we're just gonna make it all the way to the water's edge there. Oh, there's clay under here. Maybe there's a pun I can make there, but I don't know what it is. It's kind of an interesting little programming bug, I guess. It's like whenever you hit too tall grass, it changes into a flower. One of the two block tall flowers. At least I think that's pretty neato. Neato. I don't think I've ever used that word before. But in reality, it is kind of neat. Tilling all this soil, making it nice and mycelium-y for everyone around. Because, like I said, I don't know if mycelium spreads on its own. It doesn't seem to be, so I'm kind of just speeding up the process by tilling the land, and why won't you work? Okay, it was just lag. Okay, since I screwed that up, I'm gonna place a mycelium block. I hate when I get that super lag. Anybody else hate that? I have no idea what I'm singing. I feel like I've heard it, what I'm humming kind of thing, and it's like, I feel like I've heard it before, but I just don't know where. Come on, stupid soil. Right, I forgot it does that. I love how the soil turns from that dark color right to this real pale color. It's kind of a little bit funny in my opinion, because it's like, haha. And there we go. Flatten the entire land. Ba-da-da. You don't seem to be spreading, so I'm gonna speed you along there, fellas. There we go. Where's the sun? Oh, it's setting. Let's change that, shall we? T-I-E-T. Even though I could have used this as an opportunity to, end the video, I chose instead to prolong it, because I have no idea. This is like one of those whole oh kind of things. I'm pretty sure everybody's had one of those experiences, the oh kind of experiences. By the way, that's not oh, that's oh. It's all about it's all about how you portray that. Like, that's kind of, oh is kind of an interesting word because it's got so many different meanings just by how it's pronounced. Or at least that's the way it feels. It's like you can change literally, if you just change the meaning of that one word, it works. No. Probably gonna just finish up this section and call it quits because starting to really run up the clock. Alright. Actually, let's get these little guys down here too, because they don't seem to want to spread. We'll fix them by changing them straight to mycelium. There we go. Alright. This has been Ninja94 saying don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and peace out, my ninjas!